Abusua abefo ntentan fide kese no so no enwoma bi ekoso ho a ebi esere ebi nso ho a wo de bechiche wure kakra ne ade ade a isanse ho no ya empempio no ye mo bebre ye ko ho a ya na ye pese ni gi a na ye bo edi ewura ho na me busa se menim se me rana toni a me ka se me ko se me nko se me ndayo na de aba betum ne se ye wo ho na sa ton ye nua ba santoa ekoye singaton eho owie ye chire na file atun so ekoye kukaton ebi koye standardton otehwe wentimi ngina ne ade ade a yanka bi enhyiemu abefo ntentan fide kese no so yenkonkwohwe a abrante bi nso atwiniti so no so ebeye Kiss-A-Thon ensem esisi ebuzu subscribe to your YouTube channel like na afi sign share mam video be to phone bia no wonsa betimi aka abrante so obekwa akoye Kiss-A-Thon na Kiss-A-Thon no ena o manfo bi se na Kiss-A-Thon no wo ye how many days na started da ben na wo de akwakuye da ben o manfo bi kire se omo wo interest wo Kiss-A-Thon wo penunti no baby a program be koso no ene station krom be ombetwa program na ba e wa be fontentan fide kese no so no omo fa mbeto ntem se de be yi nada ye be hwe Kiss-A-Thon ni bi aya ne sa agro abrante e de Kiss-A-Thon no e hyehye so a wa afi abaya na no afi abaya na no afi ge na no ankasa ye kase obi afi obi anu a 41 a wa afi abaya na no a obi gine tire na ne be ma hurihuri obi fi obi anu obi gine tire na ne be ma sore ne ade ade a ebuzia owie ye na abaya ono de mask she nanim ebutubutu nanim ekoye sa Kiss-A-Thon ni omo de ne video aba beto abonten kire se abaya na wo de mask a she nanim na okọ Kiss-A-Thon wonu ni o wonni na monhwe makwa akohunu na mede bro na won so hunu abaya kro no na abaya na de ema nkrofo export ne hunu se we na okọ Kiss-A-Thon no birthmark bi asi na no na abaya no so eye ne TikTok live no hunu se sa birthmark no ebi esina no na abaya no trese nya ono na omunja se omode tag na ma me kura wo voter reg no hunu a wanhwe a onfa ne ho enche no ebusia yenkonkohwe video no emfa emra eba ebeto aso ediamo
me say my life Ghana for me pamacho bebre me pem ho asam mpomo asam ten me yankonam Sound crowd I should have tagged Sonu on this video. You should stop tagging me and you guys should stop spreading. Which will hala be this one? Oh, I don't know. What people be like? I'm not the one in the video. Again. I'm not the one in the video, so that's the reason I came to on the live to speak about. Please stop sharing my video. Stop sharing my picture. I'm at Clock SAG National Headquarters. I don't know how to show you, but they're having a face of Ghana youth. So I'm here to support my friends. My friends are part of the nomination. So today they have been roaming, walking. I was with Eric Toxter during the Kavana me pesa so I'm here to support my friend. I was supporting Eric Toxter at the walkathon this afternoon. So I'm back here to support my other friends to swipe the award. Atopine, me pair me call baby I me call Kiss-A-Thon behind this. Is it because I post the person? Am I the only person with birthmark on my lips? Hey, Assembly, this one cry. Am I the only person with birthmark on my? I have plenty birthmarks, so how can I come from walkathon to Kiss-A-Thon? This is the dress I've been wearing since afternoon. This is the dress I've been wearing since afternoon. Since afternoon, I've been in this dress from home. So how can I be at Kiss-A-Thon? Meanwhile, I've been at walkathon. I can't be at the two places at the same time. I can't be at two places at the same time. One place at a time. Eric was doing walkathon long time ago. I've been there. Now they said this. This small bag. How can I put my drink? Let's say in this bag. Look at my phone. How can I put my drink just say in there? In that bag. This small bag. Maybe my charger will not go in. My charger and everything is fixed. But with this small bag, I can put my drink just here and everything inside. Slow connection. I'm using Vodafone network. I think Vodafone. Okay, I'm using Vodafone. How can I put this small bag? I put my digits inside. This bag, my two phones will not all no enter. Even my everything does not enter. So I'm putting these two things inside. And I'm about to go see me and I'm in fire here. And I'm a fuck away. I didn't see away. I'm about to my papa. Why did he answer this? Hello. Again, I have not accepted anything. Please. I don't know why. I have not accepted anything. I'm making a birthmark. Oh, Manuana. Maybe so. Maybe so. Maybe I'm more birthmark. Oh, Ghana. The Ghana. Maybe I'm more birthmark. Oh, Manu. How do you do? She make it honey. I said Chameleon will be coming.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, Charlie. When you come to us, I'm a wordy because I'm tired. I have to go. Mohammed, please, it's not me. It's not me. So, please, it's not me. Those people say it's selfie camera and the other one is dang. Hey, Ghana for Casa. Ghana for. Mama told mama now more my life has soon. Moon say, Mama, can't tell me say, and you didn't see my face there. Khalid, the general. Did you see my face? No. Even the video shared, I was not even there. I took it from Harry page. So you did not see my face there. So I say, did you see this is my face? Me, if I'm going, I'll be full chest woman. I'll be full chest. Smoky, I'll be full chest woman. I do things with my full chest. I know they do things they hide me. If I'm posting me car that I post my videos, I post taking videos on my page. Why are they fear? I know they fear. Again, I'm not the fear person. I'll be full chest lady. So please, guys, I beg you, if my mother comes see this thing now, they go call me for water region. They go call me for water region. Me pamo answer me call me your uncle nam me call me a problem ba me call na me dem problem. So I'm not the late. I'm far. Welcome. So I'm at Face of the Youth, coming to support my friends, but I'm tired. Me kopeka Kofi.
You sit down and you are talking.
Talking. Me say almost say me.
And forget your mobile say and you are obia still say your war. Forget your mo. You go explain how you go tire.
I go explain tire, no evidence. My small mother chop away at it. I'm so much down by start you. Artists no way doing. Bye. I say network in anyhow. This is my calling say. Yati, Mate. The award is coming to start. Ghana for Pekasa. I report you to OSP. Mohammed, you can report me, but I've not done anything, so I don't have anything to be guilty of. Because we're Satanists now. Mikade, my book, my pesca, it's a bang, edity. It's been a America, my quad do, Dokuno, Nimoko, Ni Akokona Mayache, and I sardine. My quad do the Minyamanina inse. Miss Ramo, Miami, Abna for please. So those people sharing that it's me, please, it's not me. I know I've explained to you, I know evidence, but the fact is, it's a face of Ghana youth. It's at Closac National Headquarters. The location there, I do walkathon come here. Me, I don't know how the map is for the location. When I'm mama pamcho, mom was spreading me picture and I'm tagging me say men on me pamacho. Pamacho and yeme. Ain't in a mobile life, no. Ebe catch him. Into me some people, Munjay me picture sharing, tagging me. Hey, for one, I thought it was a year. If you are in a fear, and I say it. I come back to watch it. Uncle Pedro Globia and EWooo So. This I've seen it. It looks like real. I come in here beside me, the best I met. I'm a person to your baby singing. Into Pamacha Macasay. Mama Banana, into I'm about life now. So I just came here to let you know I'm not the one in the pictures and the videos, whatever circulated. Because me myself, I'm my home family. My home family. So see you guys later. I'm not. There's actually something. Oh, can we be this year? I feel like maybe I say may call a life upon life, different life upon different life. Hi, poo poo. How are you? What do we crack credit to? Because I'm ready for home. I'm fear deal. And to tomorrow. Okay. Me just say my colleague, my junior. I was senior high. Now me just on dining the other face. No, say no. King Sky, come and remove your mouth. Where is King Sky? King Sky. King Sky, so I say me. Hey, Ghana for Pekasa. Maybe I'm more betmark Ghana, and I'm because I shared. This woman. Is it because I shared like? Is it a sin now? Okay, fine. Are you telling me now it's a sin to share people's flyer? Is it now a sin to share people's flyer and I said to share people's thing? Me na masen me pa masen pretty area. Marco wakaton. Marco di mi dokuno come to me the need na. Yanko check it. Marco di mi dokuno come to me and the air wakaton nasi. And I'm there PM way. Our face of Ghana youth. Yeah, fancy. Use sasso spray for mosquito. No, they use sasso spray. We are outside. I'm going to show that they're having a red carpet. So the American is pamocho and someone so Mama try me. Ma me cry on her. Me cry some in the chink of with I pay. King Sky is not me. I will not mind you cry. Have plenty stuff to do than to mind you. Hey, let me show you what is happening. You guys should leave me alone. Mom better popcorn. Mobile word nasa mom better. And I'm mom say me no papcha nyamia. So red carpet is here. Can Sky leave me alone? We are a bank. I mean, me penna me wa bet mark or a Ghana. Since now I know it's a sin to share Ghanaian products. So I will not share anything containing Ghana. If you're having speech-a-thon, DJ-a-thon, everything, I will not share it again.
Ochiami awoni masam ka osinana osumu ada eno ena eda ho no ekuado nkobeka se enye na eda ho nya na ye ni abaya na abawe kasa no abaya na abawe kasa no wachire nsemu bebre wachire se ono onsuro biada na mpono se eyo ono a ono wotimi e de naked video ebeto abontin na enye obi efe na no ena obehye mask na wasa beka se enye ono a eno ntino yetwemu tan kura enye ono a na Ghana fonso nim se ye yade atum se ye wo no say EWooo say nyawo Ghana for and we've approved say eyewa eno ntino wotwe mutan kura na eyewa sa ena ekoso e wa befo ntentan fidi kesen so ebusua wo hwe abaya ne bef mark na eda na no no ena wo hwe mfoni na eda nchen so a onso wadwen e kire wo sen eye ono a ana enye ono a eye ono a for comment egu comment section no ase ehofoma me na eye ono so a onso no yebesan age onchire mu ebusua me soro so na mako na me kai wo se subscribe to YouTube channel no na Bema TV like na fe sign share mama na me soro so a wada wuruma me soro so enyaw enyanka ma me nsere oman ni nada ewiase afa na bebiada se onsomo no ya na oni nipa energy sem atadwe yenso yatedenne me ankasa me doba made nada Agnes abna jeku me frɛ no egudi abna abaye wabone ho modin ba wasom ne madam ache osu adwuma abaye wo pon ne ho eye February bosom ya ba besim ne da etoso edu baako me kire 11th of February 2024 abaye wo ye ne graduation ewo Obuase stadium udru Obuase sports stadium ho a sports stadium nani pe Black Park ho na graduation koso hye ne so mame ekusiada ebe na wotwe 11th of February mesrawo mummra na mombesim kogya yen esanse ni gisem na yedi befie hwa abaya na ade mfoni eda ofidi so an ho fe kama wa obetimi aba bejam wi a me de abaye ebeche free aton na me de na chew esanse ne ho fe ebusua mombesim enkogya na bibia kama Paul ka se me so okopa no makoma wi na de aka nkunimdi abotire yankonkodi nkunimdi abotire no emfa emra Obuase Agnes abna jeku efro egudi abna yaminshirawo ebaba bejawo ama bibia kama abusua midin ede oduman kuma bana na Kofi abekosam ebetomi from Asante Gudi makro